A court in India has handed down a life sentence to a police volunteer convicted of the rape and murder of a junior doctor. The attack happened inside the hospital where the woman worked in Kolkata. The murder and rape outraged people in India, and there have been rallies and protests. Our correspondent Samira Hussain is in Delhi following developments.
Well, this is a case that happened back in August. And what happened was there was a medical trainee, a junior doctor. She's about 31 years old, and she was resting after a 36-hour shift. And she was on this night shift, and she went to take a rest in the seminar room. The next day, her body, half naked and severely beaten, was found by a colleague. Eventually, they found the person responsible. It was seen that she had actually been raped and murdered, and the police had arrested this gentleman, Sanjay Roy, who was a volunteer policeman working at the hospital. But look, this is a case that really sparked an immense amount of outrage. For weeks and weeks, doctors were on strike, not only at the hospital in Kolkata, but many hospitals across the country. And so it really highlighted just the issue of safety for healthcare workers and specifically health and safety for female workers.
What has the reaction to the sentence been?
Right, and so the reaction to the sentence has been quite mixed because many people were advocating for the death penalty, which is legal here in India. But the judge opted instead for a life sentence. Now, during the sentencing, Sanjay Roy was able to speak, and he continues to maintain his innocence, saying that, look, that he is absolutely being framed for this, that he is not responsible. Now, we can't really go into why the judge opted for one sentence over another, but certainly there were many people that were advocating certainly for the death penalty.